Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a hot potato game in Hopscotch. So we open up Hopscotch and down the bottom we can go create. We're going to start from scratch. So the first thing we need to do is add two characters. So plus, scroll across to the characters. We can add this character. We'll put him over this side. And then plus, and add another character and put them over this side. Now this is edit mode. If I push play at the top corner, it will go into play mode. At the moment the characters don't do anything. So the first thing I want to do is make the octopus face the dinosaur. So I need to add a code for the octopus, and when the game starts I want to flip the octopus. Now when I push play, you will see that the octopus and the dinosaur are now facing each other. So now we want to add a potato. So push plus, we'll go to the text box, and then we'll click on our emoji keyboard and find the potato. Tick, and we can put the potato in the middle. Now let's play the hot potato game. We want to add a code to our potato. So add code. What we want to do is pass it from the dinosaur to the octopus. So we want to say when something is tapped. Now, instead of the iPad, we want when the dinosaur is tapped, the potato will go to the octopus. So we want to set the position. Now, the position is a bit of guess and check, but I'll tell you today what you can type. So I'm going to type 700 by 300. Now let's test that out. So when I tap the dinosaur, the potato goes to the octopus. Now, what if I tap the octopus? So I tap on add a new code. So when is tapped, we don't want when the iPad is tapped, we want when the octopus is tapped. We will set the position to 300 by 300. Now let's have a look at our game. Play. When the dinosaur is tapped, potato goes there. When the octopus is tapped, the potato goes over there. Alright, now let's turn it into a game. What we want to do is find out where the potato finishes when the time is up. So we can say to the dinosaur, when the game starts, we want him to disappear. That means we can't tap him anymore. So we'll go across to wait. We want to wait, let's say 2000 milliseconds. And then if I tap that white space, we can set invisibility. So if I set invisibility to 100 and I push play, that way I can keep tapping the octopus and the dinosaur, and then the dinosaur deletes so I can't find him, or he goes invisible. Now let's do the same with the octopus. So we see the code. When the game starts, we want him to wait for 2000 milliseconds, and then we want to set the invisibility to 100. Now let's have a look at our game. Play. We can tap, find out who ends up with the potato when it's finished. And that's how to make a simple hot potato game. If you want the game to last longer, we can just change this to a bigger number, like 8000 milliseconds, and then with the dinosaur, 8000 milliseconds. Play. We can keep tapping to find out who's going to land on, and eventually, at some point, they're both going to disappear, and that person has the hot potato. Have fun!